So if you're able to read English, then you've read the title. Today's video is interesting. Like our first video on the channel, Aki gave us another product. It's supposedly the world's smallest car charger. It's almost as small as my pee-pee. I mean, this box is small. If you watched our last video, this product was a part of that lineup that Aki sent us, but awkwardly enough, my roommates didn't notice this was in a separate package, so that's why we're making a dedicated video. This thing is lightweight. User manual, usual stuff. You get a 24-month product warranty. Wow, that is really small. That is literally what she said. Size doesn't matter as long as its functions. I can't get it out. Get out of the box. Wow. They're actually not kidding. This has to be the world's smallest car charger, and yet it's still bigger than It actually blows my mind how many people like big products, like big smartphones. You got the XL version. Everyone has the XL this. They want to have the big that. They need big. The satisfaction of having something big. I want a big phone that I can't put in my pocket. It doesn't make any sense, but I still look cool for some reason, or at least that's what they think. It's like you have a brick in your pocket. Normal size phone. You don't need something that's a tablet in your pocket. And that's what this product essentially achieves. Same functionality. It's an 18-watt PD car charger. It does the same thing as a car charger that's probably 4 times as big as this. Type-C connector as well, so that's really good. Great for traveling. If you're in an Uber a lot and you don't drive and you need one of these because for some reason the Uber doesn't have the USB ports available or doesn't have any in their car at all, you whip this out and they're like, wow, that's small. And then you're like, yeah, my wife tells me that all the time. And she loves it because it works. It's like, wham, bam, you whip this out to your friends and they're like, what is that? And then you're like, I got the juice. All right, let's try this little bad boy out. Catch. Alright, let's try to see if this actually works. Look at the size difference. Look at the difference. That's insane. Alright, got it plugged in. Oh my god. You can barely see it in there. Like, look at that. It's like almost the size of the hole itself. Alright, let's see if it works. Hey, it works. Unlike my